they campaigned against me. Everybody was saying, do not vote for Duterte. Fine, I said. Let this be, an election be a referendum between me and the Catholic Church. No. Sabi ko, kayong mga Katoliko, sumunod kayo sa inyong bishop. Kasi pag hindi ninyo sinunod ninyong bishop ninyo, you will go to hell. Sige, doon kayo. Kasi ito na, this will be the referendum. Kung sinong tama sa atin. Oh, look. Were you able to stop me? It 6 million. Ilan lang kayong obispo dyan? Saka, if I start to name the bishops who have got married or who have new women in their lives and the priest, sasabog itong Catholic. And you're all pageantry. Alam niyo, separation of church and state. You are the most vocal one. Panahon ni Gloria Arroyo, naghingian kayo ng... That is graft and corruption. Hindi nyo alam yan. That is graft and corruption. Minus, the plus pa. Plus the separation of church and state. Yung ibang tao dito sa Pilipinas, walang makain, walang medisina. You are enjoying the money of the goddamn people of the Philippines by riding on that. Di na kayo nahiya niyan? Putang ina kayo. Di na kayo nahiya niyan? Tapos kung magsalita kayo, kalin nyo sino? Gusto ko nang ibugang ngayon habang hindi pa ako presidente. Total, kung mamatay ako bukas, di happy kay lahat. Tatandaan niya, ngayon na, kasi hindi pa ako presidente. Kayo, you ask so many favors. Even from me, I can show you the letters. Ganun rin ang Gabriela, the same. Gusto ko i-public ko rin. Pag mayroon kayo, hingi dito. Tapos kung magsalita kayo, kayo lang marunong. Bishop, imagine asking, alam ninyo na mahirap ang Pilipinas, walang tao, wala ibang pinapay. Kung magsalita kayo sa pulpito, ang girabat. Bakit kayo, then why did you exacerbate the situation by asking money from government to buy the cars? Or asking the cars for the cars itself? Hindi na kayo nahiya niyan. Just about time na magklaro-klaro tayo. You have been castigating me or criticizing me. You want a debate before I become a president? Okay. Yung sinong lahat ng bishop na tumindig kayo. I will tell you the sins of the Catholic Church, beginning from the time the institution of the papacy was established. Ilang pope na dumaan dito sa generations after generation. And you had one episode of incest. A pope having so many children and committing incest. Alam ba ng Pilipinas yan? Na ang tatay na pope pati yung anak niya, sila rin. Alam ba ninyo yan? Kininto ba ninyo yan sa taong Pilipino? About time. Tagal ko nang gustong ibuga to. Nakakain na ako ng durian. Nalasing ako. This is a very intoxicating fruit. Gusto ko na talaga rin bumuga ngayon na para yung hindi pa ako presidente. Siguro, pag presidente na ako, then I should be more circumspect. But for as long as I am not president, and I can die tomorrow for all I care. Hindi ako na, when my time comes, it will come. Maski anong gawin ko. Pero sumubra kayo. Kayo rin ang naghingi nito. Kayo rin ang naghingi nito. Meron pa kayong pinagawa sa akin. Pinilit ninyo isang space dyan sa subdivision. Ginawa ninyo lahat ng gimmick para mainyo. You want it in public? You tell me and I will do it. Lahat and I will lecture until June 29, the sins of the Catholic Church. And whether or not you are still relevant. Alam mo, the most hypocritical institution in this Catholic Church.